What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, De'Ara, of course. Let's go ahead and get right into this video with creating a channel banner. First, I am going to go ahead and look on Google for all of my social media icons that I do want to add to the channel banner. Basically, I did like the way it looked on my old channel banner, so I'm just going to kind of recreate that look. I just love the way the circular look of the icons do look, as well as them being black as well. So I'm just going to go through and find the ones I want. After I did that, I'm going to go over to the eraser app and just erase around the image that I want to have in my channel banner. This time I'm only going for one image, so yes, it's not going to be all cluttered everywhere. Just trying to look for a nice simple image to use. And after I finished getting that image ready, I'm going to go ahead and save that to my camera roll. And once it did save to my camera roll, I just went ahead and I went into the actual Fonto app itself. And basically I already had an image up there, but I decided that I wanted to just start fresh, and I'm starting with a plain image, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do a custom size to the size that we do need, which is 2560 by 423, which that is the actual banner size of the image that you want to use as well. So basically I just did that. Once I got that image saved and uploaded, I went ahead and went into the images and got the image that I would like to have for my background, which I also got that from Google as well. So I'm just going to enlarge it until I cannot see the actual banner itself. And then now I'm just going to basically hit the alpha on in the Fonto app just so I can see the background, so that I can see where the lines fall that's on the actual image itself, because where it falls is how it's going to look once I save the whole banner itself. And after I got it the way I wanted, I'm just going to go ahead and save. And yeah, these ads be killing me because I have the free app, so yeah, it's fine. But I'm going to go back after I reset the image, go back and get the image itself, and it's a complete banner, as you guys can tell. Yeah, we did it. But yeah, now I'm going to go and get my image and just size it to the actual banner and where I want to place it. Once I do have it sized, I'm just going to play around with where I want to put it, but I kind of know I want it in the middle section, because that is the section that you will see on your cell phones. So yeah, and to help me with the sizing, I went ahead and got off Google the actual channel banner size itself. Just type in YouTube channel banners and this pop right up, and you just get that and use that for it as well. So yeah, where I placed it is actually where I did like it, so that was pretty on point, as you would say. But yeah, so I was just making sure that it was in the actual spot that I wanted it to be. And now I'm just basically trying to find a font that works best for my title, that looks good on the background, as well as look good popping out from the background, So making it like one cohesive look all together. I'm trying to just improve the look of my channel. Obviously, I'm not a teen, so I just want it to look really good. But yeah, after I finished and found the actual font that I wanted, I went into the actual text style and I basically played around with the colors, the shading, the popping out, just everything you can think of. I just went ahead and played with that to see what works with the actual font itself, and then also with the background to make it look like it matches, but to also have that pop out. With this text, it's basically like the weekly videos, so I wanted to add that on there, especially if you don't really have a set day. Also going to add in basically things that I do on my channel that I mainly focus on. And once I kind of like the style with the dots in between, so I was like, let me go for that style after I typed in everything that I wanted to add. Oh yeah, it does look like a lot, I know, but once you shrink it down and all that stuff, it blends right in. So as you can tell, it like comes together nicely, and you can actually see it really clearly on the channel as well. So now I'm just trying to place everything the right way, make sure all the spacing is correct. So yeah. Now that I actually got it like to a look that I kind of wanted, I realized that my weekly was like lowercase and caps, so I wanted to make sure that that was actually good as well. But now I basically wanted to make sure everything was sized correctly with my image and my wording. I kind of wanted to make it look like that I'm looking back at everything that it says, which I think I did quite nicely. But yeah, now I'm going to go and get my icons. And I actually hate that as soon as I got my icons, it literally loaded right to the middle of the image. So basically, I had to like move everything out the way just to get this image. But that wasn't the only problem that I had. Another problem I ran into is since my cell phone is so full, the images basically kind of saved together. Like they saved like the whole image, like the whole square around the actual circle as well, and the white that was inside of the white of the icon saved, and I kind of wanted it to be like the pinkish, like the clear pinkish on the inside, like when you put it actually on your banner, but it was not happening at all. So I kind of just gave up and I used the black and white circular image. So I had to go look for all the images that I did have before. That part was really tedious, as you can tell, but I finally found the ones I wanted, and I just moved on from there. I did not show that because there was just so much tedious work as well. I mean, you already see me looking for my images anyway. But after I found them, I'm just sizing them and figuring out how I want them to look on the image. Like, I don't want them to show, like, I guess, because I don't have enough room for them to show in the actual cell phone part. So I'm going to make sure that they don't show in the cell phone part, and just make sure it shows like if you're looking at it from a tablet or a TV, so it doesn't have anything cut off from it. And then, of course, all of my social medias have the same name, which is Being Diarra. So if you guys want, go follow me on all social media platforms. It's Being Diarra, as you can see. Just making sure that nothing like is where I don't want it in the image on the banner. So I'm basically just gonna just make sure everything is measured out the way I want it and placed exactly the way I want it on the banner itself. And after that, I did go ahead and I saved it. But then after I saved it, I was like, just to have different options, I went ahead and changed the title, well, my YouTube channel name basically to different names in font styles, because there was multiples that I did like. So I kind of just gave me some different options, and once I did that, I basically asked a bunch of people which ones they like better, which gave me the final product of the actual image that I wanted. So I saved the image that everyone did like, and I went back and created a new image, reset it again, and I created another plain image. I custom that again to 2560 by 1440, which will be the basically the background of the actual channel banner. Okay, once I got the image that I wanted, I basically saved it, and I brought in the channel banner that I did save that everyone did like, and then I also brought in the actual banner of the outline template, and I used that to basically just size to put exactly where the banner should go and to measure out exactly how it should look on top. I put them together, and then after that I deleted the actual template, and I got the white background with my actual channel banner, and that is the exact size that you need for it to show on basically everything from your desktop to your tablet to your phone. That was how I created my channel banner. If you guys would like to see how I uploaded it to YouTube, go ahead and click on the link above, and you guys can go over there and watch that video as well of how to actually get it to upload to your YouTube channel. But thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you guys in another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But thank you, and bye.
So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.